So ये दिखाई दे रहा है आप लोगों को? Is it visible to you all? Shapiro reaction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now let us go for this reaction. Okay, Shapiro reaction. See, the Shapiro reaction is a very interesting reaction. Shapiro reaction is very interesting reaction, which is again the example of very nice, very good example of carbon-carbon double bond formation. Okay, so it is a very nice example of carbon-carbon double bond formation. You can see here. So what is this? What are the reactants of this reaction? So we will try to understand that what are the reactants of this reaction. So you see, in this reaction we use the this is very important, tosyl hydrazone.
Tosyl hydrazone.
Tosyl hydrazone. So tosyl hydrozones are used, and they will for what? They will produce alkenes, and this tosyl hydrozones are converted to alkene by using, so underline this point, two equivalents of organolithium compound. You may found organolithium is methyl lithium, butyl lithium, isopropyl, many are there. So any one of these we can use here. Okay, so to understand the mechanism, so we will use the different organolithium compounds. And the most important point about Shapiro, because after this only one reaction is left about the Bamford-Steven reaction. Again, that is for the formation of double bond. So Shapiro and Bamford, they are going side to side, we can say, parallelly, but they produce olefins just opposite. One will produce according to Sazef rule, one of them will produce according to the anti-Sazef rule. Okay, now you see what is this? This is nothing but the tosyl hydrazone. This tosyl, and it is a hydrazone. Tosyl group, we'll see what is a tosyl group. It is a benzene ring is there for tosyl, and it is a hydrazone. Okay, hydrazone, and you use here organolithium means we are using methyl lithium. There is a formation of rings. If you go for the mechanism, very interesting mechanism is there. And always remember the advantage of Shapiro over other reaction is what? It will produce you the uh, more substituted alkenes compared to less substituted alkenes. And about if you go for EZ isomers, so this is the, we can say, the negative point of Shapiro means it do not consider about EZ isomers. Depend upon the groups present, that will give you the yield according to the groups and steric crowding. Now you see the mechanism how stepwise. So this methyl lithium, so out of this compound which is easily removable, so this proton, you can see here, the proton which is here at nitrogen can remove this easily. Okay, yes, okay, fine. So this proton we can remove easily. Yes, and that methyl lithium will remove this and will form this negative charge. Okay, one more methyl lithium will again approach, and this methyl lithium will take this proton. Now again there is a formation of negative charge, therefore this bond shift here, and this bond shift here. Okay, and this tosyl will go out. You see, you can see here. Okay, fine. Okay, right. So like this, fine. Okay, now then minus this removal of tosyl takes place, and you will get what? Like this situation. Now this negative charge which is at this nitrogen will restore to form triple bond. Therefore this bond which is with nitrogen becomes get transferred as oxygen, and sorry, this carbon that carbon acquire negative charge, nothing, carbon anion, which is highly unstable, and therefore, if you add water, so this will result in the formation of alkene as a product. Alkene as a product. Okay, this is what about the mechanism of the Shapiro reaction. Okay, now say example. You say anyone you can take aldehyde or ketones, no problem. When you, and it's very interesting example. Okay, very interesting example. Now you see this is aldehyde, this is a ketone, no problem. So if you use this one, so this two hydrogen will take this oxygen, will form a hydrogens, or will take this oxygen, form hydrogens. So I can write like this. You see here I have used ketone. हमने ketone use किया यहाँ पे. So this will form like this. Fine. You see H2 and this oxygen loss takes place, and there is a formation of like this. Now next step is what? You add butyl lithium two equivalents. First of all, this proton will abstract. Then this proton abstraction takes place. Very nice. Double bond delivery takes place here. Fine. Double bond delivery takes place here. But electrophile is important. What electrophile we are using? That electrophile should be like this. So you be clear with this. Okay, be clear with this. Yes. So I am writing here E plus. E will come here. Okay. So when we go for examples, you will come to know what is E. So let us talk about this tosyl group. ये tosyl group क्या होता है? What is this tosyl group? So tosyl group is what? Or is a tosyl hydrazone. It's complete. It's a tosyl hydrazone. It's tosyl hydrazone. This tosyl hydrazone is the functional group with a general structure. You see, this is a tosyl means this tolyl group. This phenyl and tolyl methyl is there, and its para position. This is SO2 NH2. This is tosyl hydrazone. So this tosyl group is what? This a tosyl group is nothing but this group. This group is called as tosyl group. Okay, fine. This one CH3 benzene ring and SO2 group is called a tosyl group. So you got it? Fine. See, what are the steps involved in this reaction? Is what the first is what? Deprotonation of hydrazine, first one, NH proton from tosyl hydrazone. Second is again involved deprotonation from alpha carbon, and it give you dianion. Third is what? Elimination of toluene sulfonate group, what we have seen. तो first step क्या हो रहा है? Removal of proton हो रहा है, right? Removal of proton हो रहा है, yes. ये first step is what? Removal of proton. Second step is removal of second proton. Third step, what is third step? Elimination of toluene sulfonate group. And next is what? Loss of N2 and result in the formation of very important thing. Alkynyl lithium species. Underline that point. And which is attacked by some electrophile, and that result in the formation of your final alkene. Very important. You see example here. The first is what? This acidic proton. You see that is attacked by the butyl lithium, and it will generate negative ion. So anion. Now we have next step is removal of second proton. लेकिन कहाँ का जाएगा? That's matter, very important. So now you remember. You tell me. This side is what? This side is we have proton here. You see. This side we have two protons. So which is more acidic? That is the point. That is very important point. Which is more acidic? So left side or right side? So right side is acidic. Why? The reason is that this right side will form the secondary carbon anion, while this left side will form tertiary carbon anion. And we know secondary carbon anion is more stable than tertiary carbon anion. So this second butyl lithium will attack here, and there is a development of negative charge will shift here, and there is a formation of bond that negative, and we know that will generate what? The alkynyl lithium. That lithium when you supply the DMF, dimethyl formamide. So how we can write that? Dimethyl formamide. So you see here. So I can write here. You see dimethyl formamide. So see here. Dimethyl formamide, and here. So this one, this alkynyl lithium and double bond will be there, and this will go out. This negative charge will attack here, and this group will go out, and therefore there is a what introduction of CHO or formal group at this position. That's all. Okay, fine. So now this is what the less substituted double bond at less substituted site preferred. But if you go for the this removal of this proton, so that will form left side double bond, a right side double bond, or we can say more substituted side. So this is what the preferred for the Shapiro reaction. Okay, Shapiro reaction because of thermodynamic stability. Let us go for this very interesting example again. Again, there are two protons that is circled. Okay, top proton and that one proton is formed. First question is again, the first beta lithium will remove this proton, no problem. This will be removed in the first step. Fine. And in the second step, what? Second proton, which one? This one, if you remove, the double bond will form like this. Finish. And where the hydrogen is there, there's the introduction of formyl group because we are using DMF. अगर हम यहाँ पे कुछ और यूज करते हैं, many groups are there, you can use, we can use here, suppose like this, you see. Yes, you can see. So that will go here, that will come here. Okay, this isobutanol will come. So be clear with that. Any group can be introduced at this position, and if this proton is going to be removed, second proton, double bond will be here. So double bond will be at this carbon and double bond, but this is not possible. This is only preferred product. Why this is preferred product? Why? The reason is what? You see this carbon is called as bridge carbon. Okay, this carbon is called as bridge carbon. This carbon is called as bridge carbon. That carbon is bridge carbon, and bridge carbon never form double bond according to Braid's rule. Bridge head carbon atom. Okay, always remember what is the Braid's rule. Braid says that a double bond cannot be placed at the bridge head carbon ring system. If ring is very large, only then it is possible, but this 6-member ring will not tolerate double bond at the bridgehead carbon. This is the Braid rule. So remember, in this slide, this will be the main product. Okay, this will be the main product. Okay, fine. According to this rule. This is the another example. This is the another example of the Shapiro reaction. So can anyone from you imagine what product will form? Double bond will be which side? This side at number 1 position side or number 2 position side? Because see, beta lithium will remove this proton, no doubt.
So two sides.
Yes, this side. Why? What is the reason?
So
First
it
one,
can also be it is bridged, no? The one side
Yes,
is
yes,
bridged.
yes. That's right. That's right. Because this is the bridge head side, and hence we can say that double bond form here. So now, can you tell me if I am writing here CHO group? So what should I use here in this Shapiro reaction? Which compound I have to use to introduce this group? That is formaldehyde. Okay, that is what formaldehyde. Yes. So okay, इसको हम और समझ सकते हैं, no problem. We'll go for a few examples to understand this idea. Okay. Now you see these examples again. You see again, this is what is this? This is a methyl. Okay, this is a methyl. See, you don't think about this junk. Okay, it looks like a junk. It's a very nice conditions. Okay, but very simple now. See. You see here what I am using here. This is 1.5 equivalent. It is a base. Remember, it is nothing but a very strong base. That is sufficient to remove the proton, this proton, and second proton from this one. And there is a formation of double bond here, and you remember ये होने के बाद, you see, ये इतना इतना क्या देगा हमको, दिस कंडीशन, ये कंडीशन E2x तो हम बाद में, EX है नॉट E2x, EX व्हाट इज दैट, आई विल शो यू। ये रूम टेम्परेचर पे हो रहा है, मीन स्लाइट हीटिंग आल्सो 3 आवर्स के लिए। So what it will give you, first let us go for this, let me write this, okay, this will give you exclusively, this will give you 1 minute. Okay, now see this way, okay, now I will give you. Now see, ये क्या देगा देखते हैं, समझते हैं। First of all, this will give, at when you apply this condition, this will give you, ये like this, you see. This one, remember, okay. Now this one, when you add this EX, what is EX, understand what is EX, EX क्या है, ये benzaldehyde है, it's a benzaldehyde housing, I will write here. अब क्या होगा, now what will happen now, can you imagine, ये अल्किनिल एनायन है, राइट, दैट इज अल्किनिल एनायन, तो वो क्या करेगा अल्किनिल एनायन, ये इस पर अटैक करेगा, यू सी, और ये बॉन्ड ओपन होगा, जब वो बॉन्ड ओपन होगा तो हमको क्या मिलेगा देखते हैं, ये व्हाट कैन आई राइट हियर, you see, try to understand what I'm doing here. That's all. So you got it? Yes, it is like that. You can change. You can change it, no problem. Now you see. If I am using here acetyl chloride, can anyone judge? If I am using acetyl chloride, तो क्या आप लोग जज कर सकते हो कि what product is possible? Yes. Can anyone judge? Yes. No. अगर हम ये यूज करते हैं, if I am using acetyl chloride, okay, this one. So can you tell what product is possible here? No.
Carbonyl chloride.
Very good, very good.
सर स्क्रीन सीज हो गई,
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है,
दिख रहा है।
दिख रहा है।
यस, अगर हम यूज करते हैं इस तरह, सो इस तरह, सो बी क्लियर विद दिस आइडिया, ओके, बी क्लियर विद दिस आइडिया हमको क्या समझना है, आवर एम इज, आवर इंटेंशन इज ओनली अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द प्रोडक्ट विल फॉर्म। नाउ सी, अगर ये प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हुआ है तो आप बताइए इसमें, आप बताइए इसमें हमने क्या यूज किया है, कौन सा ग्रुप यूज किया, ये कौन सा ग्रुप है, व्हाट इज दैट, दिस इज दिस ग्रुप, समझो आप इसको। और ये क्या यूज किया हमने, ये यूज किया है बेंजल्डिहाइड। मिथिल आयोडाइड और D2O क्या है, इट इज ओनली सपोर्टिव और मीडियम व्हिच प्रोवाइड मीडियम टू get the good yield, fine, yes। नाउ सी अगेन, और एक हम इसको डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, अगेन वी आर ट्राइंग टू डिस्कस दी मैकेनिज्म, अगेन हैव अ क्लियर कट आइडिया। ये देखिए, आपको एक सिलेक्शन ये करना है कि Shapiro reaction cannot shown by those aldehyde or ketone which do not contain alpha hydrogen. You are getting the point? That is a very important point. Shapiro is only possible when there is a presence of alpha carbon. ये देखिए अल्फा कार्बन, आप उसको जूम कीजिए, दिखाई देगा आपको। ये जो अल्फा लिखा है ना हमने यहाँ पर, ये अल्फा कार्बन है। अगर आप इफ यू थिंक अबाउट दी benzophenone is a diphenyl ketone, तो क्या that is that undergoing to Shapiro? Not possible. Why not possible? Because और क्या only benzaldehyde undergo Shapiro? No, not possible. Why? To show the Shapiro reaction, there must be presence of alpha hydrogen, just like aldol. What we have seen for aldol, what we know for aldol. अब क्या होता है जब ये आप लेते हो ऐसे ketones or aldehyde, those who contain the alpha hydrogen like this, so this is a very fast reaction, amine and this carbon H2 loss, formation of hydrazone, this is a hydrazone। अब इस पर दो ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप आ रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनोलिथियम दो आ रहे हैं। एक कहाँ से आ रहा है, एक अल्फा प्रोटॉन को लेने के लिए आ रहा है, एक ये H की प्रोटॉन NH प्रोटॉन को लेने के लिए आ रहा है। यू सी, दोनों भी साथ में जाएंगे, डायनियन बनेगा, दिस डायनियन। यू सी, इसने प्रोटॉन ले लिया, इट गॉन, ये प्रोटॉन ले लिया, ब्यूटेन रिंग, ब्यूटेन बन गया, चला गया, ब्यूटेन इज अ गैस। अब लिथियम क्या करेगा, लिथियम ये नेगेटिव आयंस के एसोसिएशन में आएगा। देखो इसकी एसोसिएशन में, ये लिथियम, इसके एसोसिएशन में ये लिथियम, यू सी है। अब क्या होगा, ये नेगेटिव इज वेरी अनस्टेबल, दैट विल शिफ्ट रिस्टोर बॉन्ड हियर, दैट दिस बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड बिकम सिंगल बॉन्ड, यू सी, एंड दिस एन बॉन्ड बिकम डबल बॉन्ड। एंड इस पर नेगेटिव क्यों आया, क्योंकि प्रोटॉन गया। जैसे ही इस पे आएगा तो ये नाइट्रोजन पर का जो TS बॉन्ड है ये टूट जाएगा, दैट विल गो आउट, और डबल बॉन्ड बन जाएगा, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज इसी पे रहेगा, फाइन। वो नेगेटिव चार्ज रिस्टोर होगा बैक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के लिए, और ये जो सिंगल बॉन्ड है ये वापस इस पर आ जाएगा। और ये हमको मेन हमारा एम यही है, ये बनाना, दिस इज व्हाट N2 गैस, तो ये चला जाएगा ऊपर, ये बन गया अल्कीनिल एनायन। अब ये बनेगा, इसमें आप जो भी ऐड करो, इफ यू ऐड वाटर तो वाटर उसको H+ देगा, यू सी, ये देखो ये दोनों सेम है, वाटर H+ देगा तो क्या हो गया, H आ गया। अगर उसमें आप कोई भी रिएजेंट डालोगे, एल्डिहाइड, कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड, ये, और वी कैन यूज ईस्टर, वी कैन यूज कीटोन्स, एल्डिहाइड, DMF, डाइमिथिल फॉर्मामाइड, बहुत सारे कंपाउंड्स, अल्काइल हैलाइड्स। अगर आप मिथिल आयोडाइड यूज करोगे तो मिथिल आएगा, इथिल आयोडाइड यूज करोगे इथिल आएगा। सो लाइक दिस alkenes will form, different alkenes will form, and it's a very nice reaction, very good reaction to understand the chemistry of Shapiro. This is another example reported very recently by one scientist. Again, तो हमको क्या नहीं भूलना है, हमको दो ही पॉइंट नहीं भूलना है। ये देखो, ऐसा कंपाउंड किसी ने यूज नहीं किया अभी तक इन होल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, नो वन हैज यूज सच टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड। ये कंपाउंड अभी तक किसी ने यूज नहीं किया। व्हाट इज दिस, टॉसाइल हाइड्रोजोन। और सेकंड पॉइंट, इसके साथ में सिर्फ शैपिरो ने यूज किया है। और मैं क्या कहूँ आपसे, ओनली शैपिरो person or scientist in the history of the chemistry, organic chemistry, who has used this टॉसाइल हाइड्रोजन एंड एन ब्यूटाइल लिथियम और मिथाइल लिथियम और ऑर्गेनल लिथियम बेस, ये दोनों कॉम्बिनेशन में सिर्फ शैपिरो ने यूज किया है। जब भी ऐसा आता है आपको क्या करना है, ये जहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन बन रहा है और जिस साइड में अल्फा कार्बन है वहाँ पे आपको डबल बॉन्ड डिलीवरी करना है, और इस कार्बन पे ये सब हटा के यहाँ पर क्या लाना है, सिंगल बॉन्ड। यहाँ पर फ्लोरीन आया, क्यों? कि ये फ्लोरिनेटिंग एजेंट्स था इसमें, ये दे विल प्रोवाइड यू फ्लोरिनेटिंग एजेंट्स। ये तो रिएक्शन आपको समझने के लिए वेरी रिसेंटली पेपर पब्लिश्ड हुआ है। इतने प्रोडक्ट्स बन सकते हैं, जस्ट यू चेंज दिस आर, ये आर बदलोगे आप। आर क्या हो सकता है? आर ये मिथॉक्सी बेंजीन, क्लोरोबेंजीन, सिंपल फिनाइल, सिंपल फिनाइल। और ये क्या हो सकता है? ये आर डैश, दिस कैन बी व्हाट, दिस कैन बी मिथाइल, ये मिथाइल, फिनाइल, फिनाइल, यस फिनाइल, एंड वी कैन हैव हियर ये एच, सॉरी आर यहाँ पर एच रहेगा, यहाँ पर एच रहेगा, यहाँ पर एच रहेगा, CH2H, CH2H एंड लाइक दिस। वेरी सिंपल। और एग्जांपल है इसकी, ये देखो, अगर आप ब्रिजहेड कंपाउंड्स भी लेते हो, इफ यू टेक ब्रिजहेड कंपाउंड आल्सो, दैट विल आल्सो गिव यू like this compound. If you take exactly compound, so without any uh, deviation, you will get the similar pattern of the products. Okay, similar pattern of the products. That is what, वहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड आएगा जहाँ पे अल्फा कार्बन, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन था कार्बोनिल की साइड में। Okay, this is what about the Shapiro reaction. Okay, okay. So I hope all of you understand this very well. So now I will stop the recording.